Alright, what else we got in here? It's round, it's got a kitty in the center, and it's got a big hat on top. I have no idea what that is. I haven't got a clue. That's pretty good for me. Usually I got a clue. Oh, no wonder I don't know what it is. It's an oil pump housing. 4-speed Evo Sporty. Also iron head 84.5. If you have an alternator on your bike, you have this on the generator cover. So this is where your oil filter goes. This bolts onto the generator where the generator used to go. And then you have your oil come out here. Now, pretty sure the late iron head and Evo is the same thing. Boy, sneezing. So yeah, anyway, that's a nice looking. That's not even corroded hardly at all. They had hard lines that went in here, or they got a hard fitting screws in there, but it's a rubber line. But anyway, it's like an aircraft style setup. Not even corroded in here. So that's pretty nice. So all your 4-speed Evos would have these. The 5-speed, I think they went direct on the case with a filter, so they eliminated this. So that should be late 84 through 90, 883, or through 89, 1200. Most people don't know that the 883 in 1990 was a 4-speed and the 1200 was a 5-speed. Overlap, and they're completely different bikes. They're completely different motors. So there you go. Alright, looks nice.